Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have two different job openings from two different companies to discuss. So first one is Deloitte, and that's very important. It's a pool drive, actually bulk hiring will be there. So let's see what is the eligibility criteria and who can all apply to that and what are the locations available, everything in detail format. So please do watch this video till the very end to know about all the things and apply it at the earliest. Okay. So if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you apply, activate the bell icon, you can click it as all so that whatever video when we upload, you'll get notified regarding that. Especially when coming to this kind of hiring videos, the links will be only applicable till certain period of time. So it is very important that you get the notifications regarding that at the right time and so that you can apply it at the right time. Okay, so make sure you do that as well. This is not about the hiring videos alone. We do provide immense content which is very much related to your placement needs from the hiring or the openings available from the company till you sign off from the interview. Okay, so you can just go through the video content, everything will be there, and you will get to know like what are the contents that we present and how can we help in you. Okay, so let's start with the Deloitte as mentioned. So this is a Campus 22 consulting associate analyst, Karnataka pool drive. It's a pool drive actually. So bulk hiring will be there from their end. And there are 4 locations available. That is Bangalore, Karnataka, Gurgaon, then Hyderabad and Mumbai. So obviously most of you people are getting a chance to work in there, or most of you people will be getting chance to explore this opportunity. Okay, so work you will do. So associate analyst at Deloitte expected to develop strong technical skills in the system or technology area you're working in. As a part of onboarding process on projects, you are provided with the training or awareness aimed at building proficiency in the role. Okay, so basically like you will be exposed to some technical technology or system something. So during the training time itself, you must learn the things, everything, and you must start to work in Deloitte environment. Okay, so that's all things you can read and get it, understand it yourself, and work on projects of moderately complex scope, report on common source of technical issue or questions and make recommendations accordingly, communicate key findings to project team leader and extended project network, then work towards improvisation and monitoring delivery, better value to the customer. Then the qualifications required will be BSc, any combination with computer science, IT, mathematics, statistics, and electronics. Okay, so BSc, if you have these subjects with any other subjects, then obviously you can apply it. Okay, they want you to have the basic knowledge in these subjects, so it's fine. And BCS students too. Then general expectations will be deadline oriented and quality focused. Okay, and strong verbal and written communication skills and effective interpersonal communication and presentation skills are the general expectations. Demonstrate professionalism, good personal skills, good working knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and good analytical skills. Okay, so this is basically what they are looking forward in you. So like multiple people can apply to here. They are conducting a pool drive in here. Okay, so to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and you have an option. If you have already registered to Deloitte Careers, you can use the same application by just logging in with your credentials like email and password. Else you can click on this create profile and start with the application process. So you have total 5 steps to go. That is your resume, then your personal information, then job specific questions, additional information, and review and submit. So I'll just show you one by one like how this can be taken care of. So here I have completed the first step and moved to the second step, which is personal information. So here you can see the personal information, name, mail ID, phone number, then higher school education, then bachelor's degree. There are options. Are you pursuing or have already completed your graduate degree? So you can provide it. So basically, when coming to the batch details, 20 and 21st students are a kind of 21st and 22nd students are a kind of the freshers or the graduates of this particular year. Okay, so basically opportunities are for them like the first preferences, and 2022 students also can try applying to this. Okay, so if we are 2022, then you can put it as complete. Are you personally have already completed graduation degree? You can put it as no and just go with it. Okay, and 2021 also can apply it here by putting it that you have completed the graduate degree. And yes, post-graduation, if you have any, you can give. There it is not mentioned. The eligibility criteria is for the graduates, but the form do present this. So it is, this form is like global. This is applicable for any jobs in Deloitte. Like if the form will be same, but the database that reaching up to different will be different. Okay. And work experience, you can provide it no if you don't have. And obviously it's freshers drive. And all these give these details of all this, and after that you can save and continue the process. And next we'll be moving on to the next phase. So as of now, I cannot go. Okay, fine. Now we can see the job specific questions. You need to answer them. Then additional information you need to answer them. Then review and submit. Okay. So basically, stick on to the eligibility criteria they have mentioned. This is for freshers, but still you saw like work experience criteria. Doesn't mean that they are asking work experience for this application or this particular job profile. Like it is like the form, like okay, this UI. Okay, this user interface is particularly built for applying any jobs. So once you apply it in here for this job opening, it will be going to one backend, and for other to another backend. Okay, so if you're applying to any jobs in Deloitte, you'll be like going through the same form, but the result will be different. So that only you are seeing the work experience criteria. So this is for the freshers. You can try applying to that. Okay, and now coming to the CTC details of this opening. 3.5 is the last salary package, which is averagely available. So obviously to get an exposure at a Deloitte like company for the freshers, then this is a bright opportunity. So make sure you apply to at the earliest and start your career well with all the immense knowledge that you are having. Okay, so that's it. That's all about the opening in Deloitte. So we try applying to that at the earliest. Now let's discuss another opening available at Myntra. So at Myntra, the location is Bangalore, and here you can see you are getting hired for the data analyst role, that is associate data analyst. And they have mentioned like 1 to 2 years of experience here. It do means that they want you to know all the things about it. And if you have some internship experience or something related to that, still you can apply to it here. Okay, so that's it. And you can see roles and responsibilities. Develop and maintain analytical model to estimate annual, monthly, weekly, daily performance metrics, returns, other key metrics, and monthly track of AOP versus actual performance. Then monitor key OKR metrics for the team and seller dashboards. Then regular analysis of experimentation to find areas of improvement in current workflows, maintain a highly. Okay, data backend approach. Pricing, marketing, operations analysis, and prediction models creation for driving business impact, data visualization and reporting for easy consumption of all stakeholders, drive report automation. So now comes the eligibility criteria, that is qualification and experience. BTech or BE with the 1 to 2 years of experience, strong knowledge of SQL, Excel, Python, or any other coding language is a plus, strong analytical mindset, problem solving skills, ability to break a problem down into smaller parts and develop a solution approach, then excellent oral and written communication skill. Okay, so these are the skills. This 1 to 2 week experience is asked because you need to have that exposure. So if you have some kind of internship experience related to the same or something, you can apply it in here. That's okay. And coming to the CTC details provided, obviously CTC will be greater because that is mentioned for the experience criteria too. So 4 plus LPA is the like base salary, like 4.5 plus LPA is actually the average salary that is what previously available. So according to the experience criteria that you are having, it may vary. Okay, so try applying to this, and if you have all this knowledge and everything in you, then obviously freshers with some kind of internship experience can also try applying to this job. Okay, so they have not particularly mentioned about any batch criteria. So 2019, 20, 21 batches can apply it here. Okay, that's it. And to apply for this job, you have to fill this form and attach your resume or CV, then cover letter if you have any, it will be good. Then LinkedIn profile, if you have any website to prove your technical skill, you can just give that as well, blog or something, and after that submit your profile. Okay, so this is the opening available at Myntra. So today we had two different from Deloitte and Amintra to discuss. So once again, I'm reminding regarding the Deloitte, it's a pool drive actually. So major of you will be getting an opportunity to get in there and start your training process and explore the industry. So make sure you apply to the same. And once more, I'm reminding about any kind of off campus or any kind of job opening available. One thing that you need to do is while you upload your resume, everything, keep it very specific to particular job opening in particular companies. Okay. And one more thing that I would like to mention it in here in this job opening is if you don't find any of the college options here, you can put it as other and type your college name and save it there. Okay. It's completely fine if you do that as well. So that's about the Deloitte. And when it comes to general, as I mentioned, go for the resume part, customize resume for every job opening available, and constantly follow back your application. Okay. And when you post something in your career, like if you have posted this and it is not getting like caught into eye, like if you have any person in Deloitte somewhere to refer, you can share the registration ID and get it noticed, and these many things will help to get candidature, okay, to this particular opening. So that is also a great thing to do. And once you give, if you apply for any of the job, don't use the same application to apply to multiple jobs. Just even if everything is same, like every resume part, everything is same, try it separately. So once you apply it separately, like one job one and one job one, then obviously you are creating an illusion or creating an impression that you are specifically applying to different jobs customizingly. Okay, so that will be very, very helpful. Okay, so I think all this you got to understand and you'll work according to that. So most of your concerns regarding these placements and career will be solved. Okay, so that's all, guys. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and also suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.